Let us start the editing of our video inside Premiere Pro the right way. This is how professionals approach their project. First, we need to create a new folder. This folder is going to be our project name. For example, editing class. Now we have a new folder called editing class. This editing class is going to hold all our project files, including videos, assets, audio, music, background, and the Premiere Pro file itself. You can create this in any drive, external drive, C drive, but I am creating this one now on desktop. So double click to open it. Then we are going to create some subfolder inside this project folder. The first one we're going to do is right click, then you create another new one, or you can just Ctrl N to create a new folder. Then we're going to name this the PR files, that is the Premiere Pro files. From here, you can just copy and paste and then change the folder name. So to copy, select the folder, Ctrl C, then you Ctrl V on empty space. It is going to paste what you have copied. Then click on it to rename. We are going to name these photo files or photos or images. They are all the same. Select outside again, paste, because you already have the copy on your clipboard. It is going to paste a new one. Click on it again. Then we're going to name these videos. Or you can call it rushes, clips, or whatever the related name is. So we're going to still paste this, paste on empty space to paste a new folder. So we already have photo, we have video. Now let's have sounds. Now we can leave it at this. So in the project folder subfolders, we have photo file, the PR file itself, the sound files, and the image files. If you have any other related file like documentation, instruction, and all of that, that is if you are working for a client, you can also create the relevant folder here. This is how professionals start their project. You can then copy all the relevant files into these respective folders. Then you are ready to go into Premiere Pro to start working on the project.